everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to unbox the Potomac Beads Treasure Edition box for March 2023. So first of all, our encouraging word for today is keep moving forward. And that's what Potomac Beads does. They keep moving forward all the time. And this time, they have sent us something really cool. So I noticed right away that this box is shaped different than the others. It opens here on the end with this little magnetic thing. I love these boxes. And when you open it up, it is a little binder in here. And it says, Potomac Beads Best Bead Box Binder. This month, your subscription box got an upgrade. Enjoy this Best Bead Box Binder to keep all your jewelry making essentials in one organized place. Punch holes in your patterns and extra paper to hang from the rings. Make notes or draw out additional designs while keeping your papers handy, contained, and visible. Collect additional helpful inserts and grow your collection of printed resources. Hint, hint, more resources to come. Use the space below to start designing your next piece. All right, so this is really cool. It's a little binder and it's contained in this box. This is so cool. I've never seen anything like this before. Let me get all of this out. So yeah, it's really deep. I mean, you could put your beads in here and just close it up and there you have it. Or, you know, put papers in here. You could design on that. This is really cool. Put a pen in here, anything. So that is just awesome. So the Potomac Beads Treasure Edition box starts at $29.99 plus shipping. If you want to subscribe to it, you go to potomacbeads.com. There are 5 golden tickets they give away per month. So they're just special gifts, free gifts, and they pick 5 of them per month if you're subscribed. And then there are inspiration videos that are provided and 12 to 20 different packs in each box each month. Okay, so we're going to get right into this. So they have everything listed here that comes in the box. First of all, I see on the list Potomac Pearls 4mm. So let me find those very quickly. Oh, they had this color or a very similar, I think it was this color in the box a few months ago, and I love this color. It is so pretty. Oh, there it is. Yes, I think it's the same exact one. I didn't even want to use them before. They were so pretty, and I'm so glad that they sent another one. I love this color. It is so gorgeous. So there they are, little 4mm Potomac Pearls. They're just really pretty. They're shiny. They have a really pretty luster-like finish, and yeah, I love them. Okay, then we have Czech glass Buddha beads. Czech glass Buddha beads. Oh, here they are. All right, so we got Buddha, blue Buddha. There he is. He doesn't look happy, does he? Look at him. All right, blue Buddha. We'll put him back in the baggie. Okay, and then we have my Yuki seed beads in an 8-0. Set these, my Yuki seed beads black, 8-0. There you go. I'm not going to take them out because I'll spill them, and we all know what black 8-0 seed beads look like. But there they are. My Yuki seed beads 11-0. That would be these. Semi-frosted pale blue. Very pretty. The theme, I didn't say, I don't think, is Dark Night for this box this month. Those are pretty. Okay. Then we have plated, micro-faceted, seamless mirror rounds in an 8mm. Oh, is that these? These are very cool. Yeah, micro-faceted, seamless mirror rounds, 8mm. Oh, wow, those are sparkly. I like these a whole lot. They look like tiny disco balls. Very, very pretty. Don't want to lose them. Those are beautiful. They would make really pretty earrings. Very sparkly. Okay. Then we have Czech glass matte rounds, 5mm. 5mm matte rounds. That would be these. And they are Montana. So it's a very deep, deep blue. Almost looks gray. but it is a very deep blue. So Montana blue, very pretty, little matte 5mm rounds. Okay. Then we have Druzy agate round beads, 6mm. That would be these. Blue iris. So here they are. And as you can see, they have the little Druzy sparkles. Some of them do. That one's got a little bit there. Where'd it go? Yeah, it was there, I promise. So yeah, they just have the little Druzy sparkles in them. They're very pretty. I like this electroplated green iris. Blue iris, sorry. Very nice. Okay. Then we have Potomac crystal round beads in a 2mm. Oh, these are pretty. Metallic blue iris. Oh, wow. Look at those. Those are so sparkly. They are tiny. Little 2mm, but beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to put them back because it's really bad to spill things. Aren't they gorgeous? Beautiful. Okay, then we have gemstone chips, 5 to 8mm. These are lapis. Gemstone chips. I really like chips. There's a lot you can do with them. They give a lot of texture to a project too. Very pretty lapis. I learned recently that lapis has some pyrite in it, and I did not know that, but that's pretty cool. Okay. Then we have plated twisted barrel screw clasps. Okay, that's these. These are not something you see a whole lot. This is kind of cool to get. They're just little clasps that screw apart, just like this. Except for I can't seem to do them. There they go. It's just a little screw. Very secure little clasp. See that? Just a little screw apart clasp. These are pretty. They're very sparkly, shiny. Okay, so those are really nice. We get 5 of them. The thing I like about these too is this little loop that's in here is loosely in there. Not loosely, like it's not going to come out, but it moves. So if you string onto this, it has some give. It's just, they're nice clasps. All right, Czech glass large ovals. That is this. Large black oval. Yeah, there they are. There you have it. These would be cool to wire wrap. Like a gold wire on there would be really pretty, or even silver. Or even gunmetal. Those are cool. I wonder if you could bead, these around it. I bet you could. We might have to try that. I don't know. We'll see. Those are cool though. Where'd the bag go? Here it is. Okay. Czech glass long bicone beads. That's these. Long bicones in a black. Jet, whatever you want to call it. Czech glass star beads. Here we have stars for our dark night. These are pretty. Really cute little things. I'm thinking of some sort of a pendant, maybe like this, with these beaded around it and maybe a dangle in front. I don't know. We'll think about it, but those are pretty cool. The pearls look pretty with these too. Okay. Just happened to notice that. All right. Czech glass star beads. Then we have pie duo beads. That has to be these. I tell you, they create so many different beads. These whole beads, 2 whole beads. You got pie duos, you got gem duos, you got like every kind of duos imaginable. And I'm not much of a bead weaver. I used to be, not much anymore, so I'm not sure. These are cool looking. You can make 2 blueberry pie earrings if you wanted to. Aren't they cute? Allie does all kinds of cool things with these 2-hole beads. I mean, it just amazes me, the ingenuity and imagination that she has. All right, let's see. Czech glass flat sliced nugget beads. That's these. These are cool. Flat sliced nuggets. Oh, I like them. They are very flat. An easy way to make earrings from these would be to glue posts right on the back, and there you have it. 2 post earrings. It's kind of funny, but you can do that. And you can even hang like an eye pin through here, dangle something from it, make a swirl at the top, and have a little, yeah, there's all kinds of things. These are cool. I like flat beads. All right, then we have stainless steel tweezers. Well, how cool is that? 90mm stainless steel tweezers. Huh. Oh, wow, those are really, really pointy, sharp tweezers. Those are nice for picking up tiny little things, such as these. I used to work for a Swarovski dealer, and she would pick up all her little crystals. We used the flat backs, and she would, and pointed backs too, but, you know, she could just pick them right up and set them. Ooh, see, that's what happens when I try to pick things up with tweezers. But she could do it so well. I never could do that. I always had to use beeswax on the end of a toothpick to pick mine up, but she picked them right up with those tweezers. These are really cool. Very cool. Thank you, Potomac Beads. What a cool box this month. A lot of different stuff. I'm going to put this back on here. Okay. And then, last but not least, we have plated seamless smooth round beads. Very, very pretty. Sparkly, bright, shiny, beautiful little spacers. So wow, Potomac bead box this month. Treasure box, I got to say, is beautiful. A lot of really pretty colors. I love these teals and blues together and the blacks. Just going to make some pretty, pretty jewelry. And these are really cool. So thank you to Potomac Beads. I am going to get on some tutorials for this. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you will know when I upload those tutorials. And I will have a link in the description box below for the Potomac Bead Treasure Edition box. Check them out. Absolutely beautiful beads and cool components, and this thing is just right here. I'm telling you, this is cool. Very, very ingenuitive, I've got to say. So thanks so much, Potomac Beads, and thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.